Good day everyone, I'm Erica Dulay. For this short demo, I will be discussing some of the important concepts in Laravel routing. Routing is one of the core features in Laravel because it determines how users interact with your web application. To better understand, I will go through 5 questions that highlight the key routing features in Laravel.
How can you define a simple route in Laravel and what would be a real example? A simple route in Laravel defined using the route get method, for example, return welcome to my website. In this case, if the user types welcome in the browser, they will see the message. A real life example would be setting. How do name routes work in Laravel and how might you use them in a real-world application? Name routes allow you to give a specific name to a route so you can easily refer it to later. For example, route get profile username controller class snow name profile to show. Now, instead of hand-coding the URL, we can just call router profile show. In a real-world application, this is useful with generating links or redirects because even the URL changes, the route name will still work. What is the purpose of route groups in Laravel and how might they see use? Route groups are used to group multiple routes that share the same attributes, such as a prefix of middleware, for example, route prefix admin, group function, route get dashboard, admin, controller class. Here all the routes inside the group will start with admin. This is especially useful for organizing routes in an admin panel. How does middleware work in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Middleware works like a filter for incoming requests. It decides whether required should continue or not. For example, route get dashboard, dashboard controller, class index, middleware. This means any login users can access the dashboards. If a guest tries to open, they'll be directly to the login page. Handle from submission or CSRF protection in Laravel. In Laravel, handling from submissions is safe because of CSRF protection. For example, from method equals post action submit. CSRF input type equals take name, button type submit or submit button. The CSRF directive generates as unique token that Laravel checks when the form is submitted. This ensures the request is valid and protects your application from attacks. And that concludes my demo. We answered 5 questions: how to define a simple route, how name routes work, the purpose of route groups, how middleware function, and how Laravel handles from submissions with CSRF protection. These are all the essential for building secure and well-structured applications. Thank you for listening.